It's tedious, it's time-consuming, it's paperwork, and Ahmed and his school are buried in it. There are papers from teachers to students, there are papers from parents to teachers, and there are papers from human resources to teachers. Ahmed is losing not only his hair, but also his patience. There has to be a simpler, easier way to manage all this paperwork. Then Ahmed discovered the Banar's school management system. Banar's user-friendly dashboards allow parents, teachers, students and management access to the system through one login. Plug-in modules allow Ahmed to customize the system to fit exactly what his school needs to manage things such as new student admissions, payroll, and even things like student fee structures. Now Ahmed and his team are collaborating with blog and video conference plugins and communicating faster with the internal messaging system that allows email and texting. Now Ahmed has everything under control. No more paperwork. Call Banar Management Consultancy for a demonstration today.